cut.
Para ano?
To make this plant more lush. Wow, ano yan? Bagong purchase? New purchase of pots? Where do you get those pots?
Sa junction.
What's the name of the seller?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Palengke lang.
I see. Are they good pots?
Oo, tsaka mura.
How much are those pots?
35 isa, tapos isa 45.
Even for the large one? Oh, this is 45 each, and this is 35. Looks like they're made of good plastic.
Makapal to eh. Ito kung ilipat si Xanadu.
Xanadu.
Feeling ko kasi maliit siya.
Xanadu of Kublai Khan. Kublai Khan is the son or grandson of Genghis Khan? Oh, I don't know.
Ayan.
Look at this. Very, yeah. They're good plastic pots. But personally, I still prefer earthenware pots.
Ito lang di maayos yung mga butas kasi.
What's that noise? But anyway, guys.
Welcome to Simpleng Hardin. Nagre-repot po ako ngayon.
Repotting. So she'll be repotting some plants like this.
Ay, yung mga iba naming
Xanadu. This
Mayana
is called Xanadu.
At mga mag-cuttings.
Don't forget the key.
Diyan. Kung anong kaso sa lupa. Kukulaan akong lupa.
Okay.
Ayan. Saka baka kasi umulan. Depende. Ayan. Ito muna ako sa masikipang aking area.
Those are your living gloves. Like when you take them off, it's like there's still a hand inside.
Dikit ang aking porting. Isip ko kung saan ko siya here.
I thought you were going to repot the party time.
Tsaka yung Mayana ko. Yan. Xanadu. O nga, get mo yung party time ko dun.
So you will also be repotting this, and you will also be cutting that mother plant.
Kasi nagiging leggy na siya.
Okay.
Hindi pa man leggy na siya.
Yeah.
So, kakat ko siya.
Yeah. Okay, let me get your party time. Where is your party time? So I'm in search of the party time plant. Do you see the party time plant? Do you see Swiper? Hindi ko makita yung party time. Left or right? Right ito. This is right. The right side. Party time. I found it. But this is so heavy. It's muddy too. Yeah. It was a hidden party time.
Sa tingin mo, anong pot?
For the party time. I know, green or pink pot.
Hindi. Ito o ito? Sa malaki na?
Dito.
Ito.
For this pot.
Inisyo ko na lang ito mamaya.
Yeah.
Party time.
So bakit ka naghahanap ng party time? Why have you been looking for party time?
Ang ganda eh. Pag lumaki yan, mas lalong lalabas yung maraming pink.
So once
parang yung mix ng green and pink.
becomes more lush, more of the pink variegated leaves will come out.
Para din siyang Mayana, di ba?
So it's similar to Mayanas in how they're propagated, like, right? And they're quite colorful too.
Sa iba mahal talaga siya eh. Mahal daw to eh.
So this is usually goes for how much?
Yung malaki. Di ba tinanong natin malaki? Nasa 350.
350 for the big one.
Ako ko lang.
And this, how much did you get this for?
100.
For only 100. Okay. From
Flora's Garden.
Flora's Flower Shop. Yeah, so that's in Tanay. If you're not familiar with Flora's Flower Shop, check out our earlier episode. It's a shop where you can buy Mayana plants, lots of varieties.
Pero sabi niya sa neighbor niya to kinuha eh.
Okay, so she said this came from her neighbor. Now it's hers. Now it's ours.
Ano yung lupa niya? Hindi ko alam kung malamiya yung lupa, malambot.
No, nakala ko matigas.
So, hindi
It's actually quite heavy.
Siya, hindi buo. So, babagsak siya. Babagsak siya. Hindi siya yung pag kinuha mo buo. Teka muna. May tali.
Got lots of rocks and small stones.
May tali. Oo, hindi ko lang mix na ngayon. Usually kasi pag nag-repat ako galing na dinidiretso ko siya.
It's not a potting mix. That's not a potting mix.
Mali.
That's just from ordinary soil.
Ayusin natin. Sorry. Ang lambot ng lupa. Ayan. Then, ano lang to? Galing siya from cuttings. Ayan.
Okay, so this came from cuttings.
Ayan cuttings siya galing.
So this will now be our mother plant.
So, hindi ko alam kung stable na talaga siya.
I think it is.
Kasi, siguro maliit pa ugat nito.
We think that this may still be, young as a cutting, so the roots might not be that established yet.
Oo. Tingin ko, maliit pa ugat. Kaya yung parang katatanim lang niya kasi malambot. Usually pag yung matagal na siya, halos yung ugat talaga nakaikot na sa lupa. Ito, ayan. Tsaka yung dahon niya na nasa ilalim, na ganyan, from dun sa ibig sabihin, tinusok lang siya.
So that's how you know it's a cutting. If the leaves are quite close to the soil.
Kaya naman tumutubo na sa ilalim, di ba?
And also, if you repot it, you'll see that there aren't any roots that are circling the interior of the pot. Because usually, if it's an older and more established plant, there'd be roots going around. So it will be almost filled with roots if it's more mature.
Doon sa parang sa croton, alalaman mo cuttings lang kasi ang haba-haba na sunod na yung dahon sa taas.
Yeah, like, where's your croton? They're not
Kasi
here.
kailangan niya ng sun daw. Matagal na sun. Ang sun dito sa area na to is morning lang. Wala siyang makuha ang sun na hindi daw siya mabilis lalaki at hindi lalabas ang kulay niya kung hindi siya maarawan. So, inakyat ko siya.
Yeah, so we relocated our crotons to the balcony because they need more sun. And crotons will become more colorful if they're exposed more to the sun. So that's the reason why there aren't any crotons here, because the sun here is only at noon. See, because there's this gap. Yeah, that's the gap where the sun comes in at noon, and then after noon, it's gone. Yeah, see, party time.
Party time. Tararan. Ito ba? Kailangan ko ba itong
Tea plant.
iripat?
If you want it to grow bigger.
Okay na yung size na to?
So it will be like something like a bonsai. A bonsai
Inisip ko na
variegated tea plant.
Kasi nabili ko na siyang ganito.
Okay, so guys, how do you like the variegation of this tea plant?
Nabili ko na siyang ganito So ano ba, ang pot nito okay na tong ganito?
I guess.
Iaayos ko na lang yung lupa.
Mm-hmm.
Lilinisin ko siya kasi. Ayan siya. Tapos ito yung ugat niya.
So that means it's more established. Because it's got more roots.
Kulang lang siya sa lupa. Ayusin ko na lang.
Yeah, so it just needs a bit more soil. So we're gonna fix this. She's going to fix this. And I'll be shooting. Are you going to fix this now?
Siguro.
Okay.
Baka ngayon.
Okay.
Iniisip ko kasi kung ilalagay ko siya dito.
So you're thinking of putting that tea plant in here?
Oo, pwede. Hindi ko kasi nagagamit yung pot na yan.
Yeah, it's a nice pot too.
Ayan.
Solid and heavy. Where did you get this pot?
Saan ko nga binili yan? Doon, sa Taytay.
Halamanan sa Taytay? Alright guys, so this came from Halamanan sa Taytay.
Diyan nakalakay dati yung fortune ko.
Okay, so I guess it's already built for that kind of plant.
Lumaki yung fortune. Ayun na siya, alakalakan na niya. So, hindi siya
So our fortune plant used to be here, and now
alakalakan na niya.
there it is in a bigger pot. So it's already grown much bigger.
Ano, okay ba siya dyan?
Yeah, okay, you can put the tea plant in there.
Kasi feeling ko.
Yeah.
Okay naman siya. Kaya lang, dumi ng pot eh.
Yeah.
Kung gusto ko siyang, pwede kaya ito pasok sa bahay.
Tea plant indoors. Not sure. It's variegated. Maybe it will need sunlight.
Yan. Isa
Yeah,
yan
it's a tea
sa
plant.
lilipat.
It's gonna be in here soon. And
Palagay.
where do you plan to party? Or do you plan to put the party? No, not here.
Baka sa taas. Ano kailangan din ng sunlight na.
Let me put it here. For now.
Tapos, ito.
Yep.
Laki mo.
So this is one of our sorry, I was going to say croton. Mayana plants that
Gift lang to, gift.
from whom?
Nanay Flora. Nice one.
Okay, so this also came from Flora's flower shop.
Famous Flora.
This is a gift, and we're very grateful for this gift.
Patings, hindi pa yan. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi pa ito doon kay stable. Pero feeling ko man okay na hiripat ko siya.
Are you sure?
Kasi nung dumating to, kaya naman tayo pumunta ng Saturday pa, di ba? So nakabagsak siya. So ngayon, okay na siya, oh.
Okay, so you
Tapos
also
meron na
very
siyang
pattern this. Oh, buds. There you go, buds.
So iniisip ko nga kung pag ikinat mo yan, pero later na. Pwede yan kasi pag kinat mo yan,
They'll grow.
grow na siya.
The new plant.
Magaganon siya. So,
Yeah, so
kasi usual pag ganito, nagiging, mataas ang nagiging leggy na sila.
Yes.
Yun. Kagaya nito.
Like that one, yeah. It's a leggy plant.
Ganyan na siya. Yung ibang plants ko na ganyan, yung mga Mayana ko. Kaya marami akong ika-cuttings. Iaano ko sila ulit.
Yeah, so there will be a lot of
Leggy na sila. Ito,
cuttings.
Kinat ko siya. Ito kasi matigas na agad yung ano.
Yes, it's premature.
Oo, so kinat ko siya dun. Kasi may palabas. Yanin ko dito. Yan, mga 2 days pa lang yan kaya ganyan. Ito, isa pa rin yan.
Yes, so this one.
Na agad ng ganito nila.
Yeah, so this used to be a taller plant. So that's the top. So she cut it over here, and you can see there are new growths on top. And this will grow into a new plant. So that's how you manage Mayana plants that have grown mature and leggy, as they're called if it's the trunk has become thick and stiff. And this has also been treated the same way. The top was cut, planted here,
Okay na siya. Yan,
and look at the new growth on top. So this will become more lush,
mas nauna ko
more
yung
thicker, and this will grow into a new plant. So that's the way to do it. Can you also do that for this party time?
feeling ko. Kasi ang cuttings lang yun.
Yeah, if it grows to be leggy like this, yeah, that's what you do.
Hindi yan ano eh.
Yeah, you
Parang
cut this.
na siya dyan sa ganyan.
You cut this top, and these little buds or growths will grow bigger and more lush.
Talaga sila para.
And the top of the plant, you can plant it right beside it, and it will grow into a new plant. So that's the way to do it.
Yun yung nasa likod mo, Dad. Ayun.
This one, this is colorful one. Yeah.
Pinagkakat pa sila.
Oh yeah, so these are already cuttings. Yeah.
Kasi nga naging leggy sila.
There you go.
Yan.
So if you have a plant, a Mayana plant or Coleus plant that's like this, do that. It'll work. It will make the plant more lush, and you also get an extra new plant. So that's the way to propagate it.
Para dumami.
Oh look, this, what kind of palm tree is this? Sifiritsi. I still don't know how to spell that, but anyway, look, there's a new shoot coming out of the Sifiritsi plant.
Dadagdagan ko siya ng soil. Tingnan mo nakarito nila. Parang siyang bago.
Yeah. So you can cut that, right? And replant those.
Oo, gano'n natin ginawa niya pipino. Kaya dumami yung kanya.
Hey, you know guys, I have a problem because I don't know how to spell Sifiritsi, which is the reason why I can't search it on Google. How do you spell it, guys? Let us know.
Parang S-E-I.
Are you sure?
F-R-I-T-Z.
Are you sure?
Ay, parang gano'n.
Are you sure? Because I think I tried to search.
Sige, try mo.
Yeah.
Oh, parang...
Help us out, guys, in the comment section. Alright. Alright, so we'll go back once the plants have been repotted. So, see you in a second. Yan. Naripat na. It's been repotted. This Mayana. So, what else have we finished?
Ayan. Bigyan ko na lang sila.
These have all been repotted. So, you already cut this?
Hindi, nasa kabilang paso yan. Ano yan?
After that is cutting.
Cuttings na rin yan.
These are the cuttings.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ito siya.
I can tell because they're like limp.
Yan.
This also cutting? No? Oh yes, it's also a cutting. So she cut off the top. So these are all top parts. This is the lower part.
Kasi ano eh, tumitigas na yung kanila.
Yeah, so that will grow into a new plant as well as this. I think these are two cuttings, yes. And also this. Alright. Yeah, cut.
Para ano?
Yes. To make this plant more lush. And then you plant the top.
Kasi pag hindi, isa lang siya na parang leggy. Yung pagkaya mga ibang nabili ko.
Yeah.
Ano siya? Isa lang.
Yes.
So, pala ko silang iayos ulit.
Stick it in there. And that's it. You don't need to water the soil right now.
Ayan, sabay-sabay ko na silang water.
When? When will these need water?
Sabay-sabay ko na. Water ko
Just
sila
now?
lahat. Oo.
Okay. How much? How much water? Just sprinkled?
Hindi. Yung gan sa makita mong overflow na yung water sa ilalim. Tapos mga 2 or 3 days ko silang hindi
So once you stick the cuttings in, you just water until the soil is soaked, and then do not water for 3 days.
Since may cutting to, yung mga may cutting, hindi ko muna papaarawan. So,
and don't leave them under the sun. Put them in the shade because they'll die. They need to take up root first.
3 days.
For 3 days.
Yan. Kaya pinating to yung tuwan-tuwa ka.
Okay, so that's it.
Yan. Thank you for watching Simpleng Hardin. Sana may natutunan kayo or nag-enjoy naman kayo. Please like and subscribe. And
Share on Facebook.